Hey viewers, welcome back to Jordan YouTube channel. Today we are doing a continuation on the Cadillac project GTP Hypercar build that we're doing on Friday. This is what I have so far. I did do some off-camera just to make the process faster and so that the series on the build is not as long for you guys. But here is what I have so far. That's what I have so far. Okay, so 3. Should have 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. I have a lot of pieces in front of me, guys, so it might take some time. One of these, got it. Alright, so this right here. And one of these, this. And this right here. And this on here like this. Alright, and these small pieces. Got one of these. The only one I have one of these, and one of these. This piece too. Alright, so this can go here. Alright. Oh, I messed this up, guys. I'll finish this step, which is 19. I missed 18, guys. Hold on, guys. I gotta grab it before I do step 18. Okay, got it. Got step 19 done. Now we just need to do step 18. So we need for the angle. This one. We need this up. So here. Right, this one too, like that. This, and like this, goes like that. Alright, need this piece for right here. Alright, got that done. Got step 20 done. Now we got this and this. But that is going to be it for today's video. If you like this video, please give a like. Please comment down below. What you think of this series. And would you like to see a part 3? If so, put it in the comments. Please share this video with your friends. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And with that being said, keep on strolling. And this is your host Jordan, signing off.